You have to replace your regulator. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it without welding. I am in US. If you need any part, just let me know. I can send it to you. Otherwise, you can buy it in the link in the video description. So let's start. In this case, we're going to replace this. So as you can see, it's stripping here. So we're going to cut it here, cut it here. We're going to do it like that, and then we're going to put the new piece that you see here. So this is the sharp bite. It works very good, very easy. Just put it there, and that's it. And if you want to add, we can add this later, so that way you can measure the pressure that you have in the house. Otherwise, you can put just this by itself, and that's it. Before you start, you have to turn off the water, wash it with it, and we're going to use the cutter that you see here in order to do that. And we're going to cut it, as you can see here. Now we're going to have some water here. This is the shut-off valve, so you have to turn it off. Then we're going to do the same thing here. Just put it like that. Spin it. And we should be good. When it fell, it opened a little bit the water valve. That is why we have all this water coming out. We're going to put the elbows, as you can see here. We're going to put one over here, and then we can put the other one over here. Now I'm going to put this elbow here, but first make sure that you put the ring, and then we're going to put the elbow, and we're going to use the crimper, the Ryobi one. This is the only tool that is cordless, and I didn't see any other brand doing that. Now you see it's compressing the ring, and that's it. So now we are going to do the same thing in the other ones, and that's it. So if you can mark it like a 1 inch or something like that, so that way you know how far it went inside, so that way you're not going to have any leaks or anything like that in the future, and you know it's sitting right. So we put it like that, then we do some pressure, and that's it. Now we're going to put it in. As you can see, the first line went in, the second line is over there, but we are good. As you can see, we just going to put some elbows here, and we should be good. And we are going to put it just here. Now we're going to put this over here, as you can see. So that way it will be inside. So remember, it's 1 inch goes inside. So you put this first, like that. And then we should have enough space to put this like this prior the ring. Now we're going to crimp it, and we should be good. So you put it like that, the hole over there. There we go, perfect. Now, as you can see, we're going to install this. Just make sure that you put the ring first, otherwise you're not going to put it later. So ring here. Alright, as you can see, we put the ring. Now we have to keep it up, and that's it. As you can see, remember when you put the regulator, the arrow is where the water is coming from, and here is where it goes to the rest of the house. Now we can open the water. We should be good. So all the air. So we release over here, and we should be good. This one goes to the trash, and that's it for now. So hopefully you have enjoyed this. If you need anything, just let me know. Parts, tools, electronics, I can send it to you anywhere in the world. FedEx, UPS, DHL, or whatever. See you in the next class.